Ay, 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 ay. Stand up. Happy Monday, everyone. Kylie is waiting
Daddy.
for her daddy to send to school. Look, Kylie. Where's your ID, Kyle? Show your ID. Show your ID. Yay! It's Kylie. You listen to the teacher, okay? No writing if the teacher didn't tell. You listen what teacher said. Because I want to... Oh! School girl, Kylie, stand up, Kai. Stand up, Kai. Show your uniform. And the Kylie's helmet.
Wait for Daddy in
Kylie's helmet.
Wait for Daddy in the motor.